Welcome to today's podcast. I'm your host, Nate Nead, CEO of Marketer.co and SEO.co, and in this episode, we'll be exploring the remarkable journey of how one of the country's largest healthcare organizations, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan, became a leader in innovative AI use. Through in-depth interviews with their management team, we'll uncover the 7 key principles that guided their actions, transforming them into an AI powerhouse in the healthcare sector. The healthcare industry is undergoing a massive transformation. Technology is changing the way care is delivered, with artificial intelligence, AI, at the forefront of these innovations. But how does one major healthcare firm go from being just another player in the industry to a leader in AI-driven healthcare? Let's take a closer look at Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan and how their management team shaped the future of healthcare with AI. Our goal was simple: improve healthcare outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall patient experience. But we knew we couldn't achieve that alone. We needed AI to drive real change. What followed was a commitment to innovation that resulted in the identification of 7 core principles that guided their AI strategy. These principles weren't just about adopting the latest technology, but about using AI in ways that were thoughtful, ethical, and ultimately beneficial to patients and providers alike. Let's dive into these 7 principles and explore how they led to their success. The first principle is patient-centric innovation. For Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan, the use of AI was never about technology for technology's sake. Every AI initiative was rooted in a deep commitment to improving patient care. They focused on using AI to identify early warning signs of health issues, predict patient needs, and even streamline the process of care coordination. We always asked ourselves, how can this technology improve the patient's experience? Whether it's using AI to help doctors make more informed decisions or to reduce wait times, the patient had to remain at the heart of everything. By focusing on the patient first, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan set a foundation that not only advanced their AI initiatives, but also ensured these innovations were aligned with the needs and expectations of those they served. Next, we move to the second principle: collaboration across teams. In an organization as large as Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan, it would have been easy for AI initiatives to stay siloed within departments. Instead, they prioritized collaboration across IT, clinical, and operational teams. This allowed for more holistic AI solutions that integrated seamlessly into the organization. Bringing together diverse perspectives was critical. Our IT team couldn't just create solutions in a vacuum. We needed constant input from clinical teams, operational experts, and even patients themselves to build something truly effective. This cross-departmental collaboration was instrumental in driving forward AI initiatives that were not only technologically advanced, but also practically applicable to everyday healthcare challenges. The third principle is ethical AI use. In healthcare, ethical concerns around AI are paramount. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan was committed to using AI in ways that promoted fairness, transparency, and accountability. They worked to ensure their AI systems were free from bias and operated in ways that respected patient privacy and autonomy. We knew that with the power of AI came the responsibility to ensure fairness. Every AI model we developed had to be rigorously tested to ensure it was unbiased and that it served all patients equitably. Their emphasis on ethical AI use helped build trust with patients and providers, ensuring that these powerful tools were being used for the greater good. The fourth principle is continuous learning and improvement. In the rapidly evolving field of AI, staying static is not an option. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan embraced an agile approach, always learning from the data they gathered and refining their AI models accordingly. We never viewed our AI systems as set and forget. We saw them as evolving entities that needed to be continuously trained and adjusted to meet the changing needs of healthcare. This commitment to continuous learning allowed them to fine-tune their AI systems and improve outcomes over time, ensuring they stayed at the cutting edge of innovation. The fifth principle is scalable solutions. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan recognized early on that any AI solution they developed needed to be scalable. They didn't just want to build systems that worked in a single department or for a small group of patients. They wanted AI solutions that could grow and expand across the entire organization. scalability was a key factor. If we were going to invest in AI, it had to work not just for one problem or department, but for the entire system, from claims processing to patient care. Their focus on scalability helped ensure that their AI initiatives were sustainable and adaptable as the organization grew and evolved. The sixth principle is transparency and communication. From the start, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan prioritized transparent communication with all stakeholders, patients, providers, and team members. They made sure to communicate the purpose of their AI initiatives, how they worked, and the benefits they offered. We had to be transparent about how we were using AI, whether it was explaining how AI impacted treatment decisions or how patient data was being protected. We were committed to clear communication every step of the way. By fostering transparency, they were able to build trust and ensure that all stakeholders felt informed and engaged in the process. Finally, the seventh principle is long-term vision. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan approached AI not as a short-term project, but as a long-term investment in the future of healthcare. They understood that while AI could deliver immediate benefits, its true potential would unfold over years as technology advanced and data accumulated. We didn't want to just implement AI for the sake of innovation. We saw it as part of a long-term strategy to fundamentally change the healthcare landscape. This long-term vision ensured that AI wasn't just a trend, but a cornerstone of their strategy to create a more efficient, patient-centered healthcare system. To wrap up, the success of Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan in becoming a leader in AI-driven healthcare can be attributed to these 7 guiding principles: patient-centric innovation, collaboration across teams, ethical AI use, continuous learning and improvement, scalable solutions, transparency and communication, and long-term vision. By staying true to these principles, they've been able to harness the power of AI to transform healthcare in ways that benefit everyone involved, from patients to providers. Thank you for joining us on this podcast. We hope you found it insightful and inspiring. Stay tuned for more stories on how technology is reshaping the healthcare industry. Until next time, take care and keep innovating.